there was a professor at UC Berkeley. His name is Dr. Tyrone Hayes. He had worked on endocrine disruptor chemicals. In fact, it was a company called Syngenta that gave him atrazine. Atrazine is a chemical known to be used for herbicide. And he did a lot of research on this. It was very, very big research. They were actually threatening him after he found out what the adverse impact was, and he started doing the study, found that he tested those endocrine disruptors, specifically atrazine, in frogs. And when he was doing the study, he found out that the male frogs was developing eggs. And in fact, the male frogs were humping the other male frogs. So they started exhibiting gay behavior, right? So he wanted to publish it. The Syngenta company did not want him to publish the study. You can Google his name, Tyrone Hayes, a professor at UC Berkeley, a black professor. They threatened him. They wanted to silence him. They did a lot of stuff to him not to publish the article, but he ended up publishing his work and talking about his experience with Syngenta. So the point is we need to be aware of endocrine disruptor, like Zabata just mentioned. The list of endocrine disruptor is amazing. From your sunglasses to your toothbrush, I mean, the chemicals are within those products, right? So it's amazing. We are actually sleeping and eating and taking showers and all that stuff. One or two things you have endocrine disruptor chemical in there, cosmetics and so forth. So it's important to be aware of all this stuff. So I believe that information is knowledge and knowledge is power. So as more you get this information, you have to be careful with your day-to-day activities and product that you purchase and make sure that you're reducing your risks for all this laundry list of chronic conditions, chronic diseases, and cancers that we mentioned here. By the way, this is just a limited list that he mentioned here in this podcast, but there's a huge laundry list of endocrine disruptor, what do you call it, adverse health impacts, metabolic diseases, and so forth, which he also mentioned here.